Pero sabi, Doc,
Mako-compromise.
diba usually pag nag-hit na yung 10, talagang lahat ng humanity is dead? O hindi naman?
We get injured, direct, Bray, and we die because of the hazards following the earthquake, structural collapse.
Yeah.
May mga mali tayong ginagawa eh. I'll give you one. Pag naglindol, drop, cover, and hold. Okay? Yung ginagawa ng iba, pag walang mesa, sinusubsob yung muka sa semento. How do you know if that thing up there is gonna fall onto you? Oh, that's wrong. Okay. Number 2, yung iba, papasok sa ilalim ng mesa, nasa ilalim ng mesa, doon pa nakahawak pa sa ulo. Ang mesa po tatakbo yan or tutumba. Kailangan po kasi hawakan mo yung paa ng mesa para hindi siya tatakbo. Now, if you want to survive and there's no sabihin natin mga lamesa na you can go under, you just simply kneel one. Good ka isa. While it's shaking, mas stable ka. Look up, left, right, likod. Pag may mahulog, you can spring up and kneel again. One. And when it comes to evacuation, pag nag-evacuate tayo, kunwari ito yung tatlo, huwag tayong humawak sa ulo. Because it will defeat your balance. Hagdan yan. Ilan tayong mag-evacuate sa hagdan? Kung ano direct, matulak kita. Nakahawak ka sa
Lahat
ulo,
kayo,
balance.
domino effect na. Lahat
Ayan
kayo
ang
magkalaglag-lagan.
So, survival is looking in all hazards. Like even sa giyera, bariling ka, tumingin ka para alam mo saan galing.